Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
To calculate your daily caloric needs based on activity level, start by determining your basal metabolic rate, BMR, using a formula like the Harris-Benedict Equation. Then, multiply your BMR by the factor that best represents your activity level. Sedentary, by 1.2. Lightly active, by 1.375. Moderately active, by 1.55. Very active, by 1.725, or extra active, by 1.9. This number gives you an estimate of the calories you need to maintain your current weight. Adjust your intake accordingly for weight loss or gain.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.